Di madali pero tuloy ang laban, sa init man o sa malakas na ulan. Bawat patak ng pawis may bunga. Tagumpay dito sa
Maria pagmanahin. Gusto mo i-find
o sabay-sabay.
like, comment, share mo na. Tres Maria pagmanahin. Like, comment, share mo na. Tres Maria pagmanahin. Natagahin, natagahin.
Kabady, Herbert. Hindi na ako magpapakita kasi try ko lang mag-live sa direct live kung malinaw yung ringit ko kasi kagabi sa SY. Para ako nakapasok sa drum na puputol-putol. Sisi, lady! Kumusta Sisi yung live mo? Maraming tao pa ba? Maraming tao. Kaya hindi ko na tinambayan Sisi kasi marami ka namang tao kagabi. Di ba? Happy Valentine's, Sisi, lady! Ayan, nag-end live na si Tatay Mungi. Akala niya naka-isway ako. Kaya sabi niya, pupunta daw siya sa live ko. Hindi naman ako naka-isway. Di ka lang, mag-ano nga ako. Para nakapasok pa rin sa planetang Mars. Hala? Nasa ilalim pa rin ba na ang planetang Mars? Hanggang ngayon? Di pa rin ba okay yung sound ng ano ko? Di ka lang, pakinggan ko nga sa ibang TV. Nasa planetang Mars pa rin ba Sisi yung boses ko? Hindi na ako Sisi magpakita. Ano ba yan? Bakit dito sa... Ulog yung Sisi. Yan muna yung... Ano ha, yung... nakikita sa live. Pangit lang. Ano nyo na lang ako dyan guys. So, kung sino yung gusto makipag... Ano tawag dyan Sisi? Phone pal ba yan? Nawala na yung pinapatugtog kong ano. Yung ginawa sa akin ni Tay kagabi na ano, BGM. Ayaw na umandar. Kaya lang sabi ko kay Tay, gawa niya ako yung boses babae, ayaw ko nung boses lalaki. Ito oh.
Sige! Ito ang rap theme song para sa YouTube channel mo na. Tres Maria Farm laban sa Bukids. Yo! Yo!
Maraming salamat po sa 5 eyes.
Tres Maria Farm. Araw sumikat, simula na ng grind. Sa bukid ang asal, 24/7 on my mind. Putik sa paa, pero taas ang pride. Farm life strong, dito kami magta-try. May manok na tila o kambing sa damo. Baboy at baka, healthy todo. Mga tanim fresh, diretso sa mesa. Organic vibes, walang daya.
Kaya nga Sisi, sabi ko sana, babae nila yung
walang halong
kasi
show.
mas maganda
Mula
yung
binhi
babae.
hanggang sa pagani. Sipag ang puhunan, panalo lagi. Tres Maria Farm, taas ang kamay, Bukid Life dito, sabay-sabay.
Like and subscribe, pindutin mo na. Sa Tres Maria Farm, pamilya ka na.
Tres Maria Farm, angat ang galaw, sipag at dasal, panalo to, wow. Click that bell, huwag pang huli. Sa farm na to, winner palagi.
Sis Igurutang Lakwachera, shout out.
Winner palagi. Winner palagi.
Good morning dyan sa'yo.
Winner
Good
palagi.
evening
Di
sa
madali
Pinas.
pero tuloy ang laban. Sa init man o sa malakas na ulan, bawat patak ng pawis may bunga. Tagumpay dito sigurado talaga. Probinsya flow pero global ang vibe. Sa bawat content, sama ka sa ride. Tip at aral, share namin sa inyo. Para sa future na masigurado. Hindi lang farm, may inspirasyon. Buhay magsasaka, may ambisyon. Mula lupa hanggang online world, Tres Maria Farm, let it be heard.
Alim, alagaan ni kita. Sipag ang puhunan, walang pahinga. Araw, ulan, tuloy ang laban. Sa Tres Maria Farm, tunay ang yaman.
Tay, shouting.
Taas ang kamay, Bukid Life dito, sabay-sabay.
Salamat dito sa
Share mo na.
sa BGM.
Tres Maria Farm, panalo ka na. Hey!
Tay, palitan mo. Gusto ko yung boses babae. Diba? Ang utos na footsteps. Ginawaan na nga ng utos ba?
Gusto mo ba mas mabilis pa? O may female rap vibe?
Tres Maria Farm! Tres Maria Farm! Taas ang kamay, Bukid Life dito, sabay-sabay.
Naubusan ka
Comment, share mo
ng
na.
female voice?
Maria Farm, panalo ka na.
Voice?
Hey!
Yeah! Gusto mo ba mas mabilis pa? O may female rap vibe? Winner palagi!
Maganda din yung kay Ate Ling. Yung kay kay Manay Shining, hindi mo naman pinorward. Ako yung nag-forward kay Manay Shining. Ayun, natuwa si Manay Shining. Salamat, Sis Gurutang Lakwachera. Thank you, thank you. Kay Sisi Lady, hindi ko pa napakinggan. Si Sis Janet ba, ginawan mo na tayo? Tapos si Sisi Sky. Ivy. Ayan, kaya lang tapos na pala. Isang oras lang naman si stress. Ano tayong request mo? Kahit yung aking dito, yung headset ko, para akong nakapasok na naman sa drum. Ewan ko lang dyan sa inyo. Kung yung boses ko ba ay... Sabi ni Manay Shining Tay, ikaw ba daw gumawa? Or doon sa app na yon? Yung may gawa. Meron ako tayo nung napakinggan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa ng kanta. Ako nga'y admin. Oh, gawan mo daw tayo si Sis Igorotang Lakwachera. Banggitin mo doon tayong ang kanyang magandang ngiti ay umaakit, ay nang-aakit sa akin. Ganun. Yung ngiti ni Sisi Igorotang Lakwachera. Kaso di ko din alam gamitin. I-download mo lang Sisi, dinownload ko lang to. Tapos yun na, pinarinig ko na sa akin live. Sabihin mo tayong, ang iyong ngiti, Lakwachera Igorota, ay umaakit sa akin. Di ba? Ang ganda ng kanyang smile, Tay. Mrs. Igorotang Lacochera. Yung ganorn yun, tay. TY Madam Fe sa 236. Ano yun? Ano yun, tay? Ano yun, admin? Kantahin ulit natin yung Valentine's kasi kagabi, hindi ko tumakanta ng maayos. Kaya lang, yung aking headset, parang nakapasok pa rin ako sa drum. Nakapasok pa rin ba tayo sa drum yung ano ko dyan, dating ng boses ko? Pakulay niya, ay wow, nagpakulay ngayon. Di ko nakita eh. Kasi busy-busy yan ako dito pero naiwan ako doon sa ano mo, sa live. Ika lang, hanapin ko nga yung aking yung stand ko nawawala. Parang bulyong, parang marinig. Ha? Need bulyong? Ako? Sino tayo? Yung BGM tayo, ako, yung kusas ko, ano ba? Bakit tayo ano? Wala bang ano, volume? Di ba ako naka-volume tayo? I'm sure, oy. Naka 400 volumes ko na ikaw. Hala, bakit parang wala nga tayo? Napapaaga na naman yung live ko ulit. Ayaw na naman makisama ba? Pakidayal na lang po si Tressa, 8, ano pa yan? 8,000? 7,000.
Para sa siguristang tulad ko.
O ito tayo, meron ng volume.
Kaya mabilis kang gagaling sa ubo. Somyux Advance, magaling maglinis. Advance magpagaling.
Salamat po sa Five Eyes na andyan. Ha ha ha, sabi ni Sis Igorota. Nakanta ba si Sis Igorota ang Lacochera? Parang hindi ko pa narinig na nakanta siya, pero parang ang ganda ng boses niya. Loko-loko talaga. Loko-loko ba, sis? Tayo pakicheck nga yung aking sound dyan. If there were no words, no way to speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears, no way to feel inside, I'd still be. Ano daw? And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out of light, you would still have my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, love, my Valentine. All of my life, I have been waiting. Teka lang. Bigyan ko ng jacket. J. Agavina. Ayan, meron ka na pong moderator, Sir J. Salamat. Salamat po sa pagbisita sa live ni Press Maria's Home. Big love shout out po, Thai Cody. Love you more. I will give you my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. Ano yung sinend mo tayo? Hindi ko mabasa. Na 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 na. Refuse to shine, even if your heart ran out of pride. You would still have my heart until the end of time. 'Cause all I need is you, my Valentine. My Valentine. Thank you, Sir Jay. Salamat po sa lahat na naandyan sa bye-bye. Salamat. Hi, thank you. Ano yung sinend mo tayo? Hindi ko mabasa. Hindi ko pa mabasa tayo yung sinend. When there's no one's holding down, children's laughing all around, lights are turning on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire with me, you're the answer when I pray. I would find someone, and baby I found you. All I want is to hold you forever. Yung volume mo, ano nangyari? Mahina yung volume mo tayo. Hindi sa akin. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away. I'm thankful every day for that. Silipin ko ka. Naka 400% yung volume ni tayo. Hindi niya pa rin marinig. Megan Learn. Sis Iguruta, sabi ni Ma'am Tere. Hello po, Ma'am Tere. Shouty, good evening. Salamat po sa pagbisita ulit sa live ni Tres. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day for the gift. Ayan yung sinend niya tayo, oh. 400 volume na, naka 400 volume na daw siya. Hindi niya pa rin marinig yung boses ko. Madam Tere, sabi ni Kai Kaniba, Happy Heart Day. Happy Heart Day. Yan. Happy Valentine's din po, Ma'am Tere. Ako ay nabibingi. Nabibingi sa aking headset. Hindi ko masyadong marinig yung boses ko. Agoy. Tay, salamat tay. Sino ba yun nakalive? Nakalive ba si Ate Ling Gray? Parang hindi ko na si Ate Ling Gray napupuntahan ah. Kagabi, pagpunta ko, yun, saktong nag-end time na rin siya. It's not the flowers wrapped in pencil paper. It's not the rain I wear around my finger. There's nothing in all the world I need when I have you here beside me. Here beside me. So you could give me wings to fly and catch me if I fall, or pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all, but I couldn't ask for, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all. Miss Dayan, si Sis Dayan. In your arms, I found its strength inside of me. And in your eyes, there's the light to guide me. I would go lost without you, and all that my heart could ever want has come true. So you could give me wings to fly and catch me if I fall, or pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all, but I couldn't ask for, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all. You would offer me the sun, the moon, and I would still believe. You gave me everything, and you never want to Diba? Hindi kinailag siya. But I couldn't ask for. Catch me if I fall, or pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all, that I couldn't ask for. 'Cause your love is the greatest gift. Muli ba? Watch yung upload. Ayan. Salamat po, Ma'am Tere. So I greatest gift
Buy now, pay next month. 0% interest.
Salamat
on
po,
all
Ma'am
items.
Tere. Ayan, puntahan kita dito kay Press Mix Vlog, yung aking pangalawang channel na aking pinapamonitor. Ayan, asa na yun? Dito kita panoorin, Ma'am Tere. Wala, hanapin ko na. Marami yung naka-live ngayon. Ano yun? Puntahan ko muna yung live ko. Puntahan ko ito, Ma'am Tere. Wala ba akong harang? Hindi ko ata napindot yung harang. May harang po ba ako, Ma'am Tere? Pagpasok mo. Parang wala akong harang dito sa akin. Ayan, di pa dikit sa iyo, Ma'am Tere. Didikit ko to sa'yo. Ano? Ito, lutong gulay na may gabi. Relays na to. Ayan. May harang, Tere. Dikit ko din sa'yo. Idikit ko. Si Tres Mix Club.
Sing Tunado Karaoke.
Sintonado, karaoke daw. Kasi si Tres ay sintonado. What if I never knew? What if I never found you? I'll never have this feeling in my heart. How did this come to me? I don't know how you found me, but from the moment I saw you, deep inside my heart I knew, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul, I give my love to heaven. As far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny. I wanted someone like you, someone that I could hold on to and give my love until the end of time. But forever was just a word, something that only heard of that. But you're no longer slipping from me when you say forever. I believe, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul, I give my love to heaven. And as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny. Maybe all I need is just a little rain to say I believe love will find a way. Mama Ina Mix Vlog. Shogi, shogi. Sir GR, shouty shouty. Happy Heart Day, Sir GR. Nasaan na yung pinapanood ko kay Ma'am Tere? Na kaya? Ayan. Parang pa rin. Ang tagal. Ayan, bakit ka tumatawa, Sir GR? Binati lang naman kita. Happy Heart Day. Ano to? Kung ano na lang yung makita ko dito, yun na lang yung kakantahin ko. Salamat po sa Six Eyes na nandyan at sa 8 na tuso. Sis Beam, thank you sis. Ma'am Tere, thank you. Still watching ako sa lubong gulay ni Ma'am Tere. Just when you make your way back home, I find some time to be alone. I got to see the place once more. Just like the night before. Hindi ko alam. I climbed the stage again this night, 'cause the blessings is still alive when the snow is going down. Tapos yung ano ni Ma'am Tere. This is the place where I belong. I really long for you. I got your sound still in my ear. Wow, hindi ko na alam ko ah. It's not here. I climbed the stage again this night, 'cause the blessings is still alive when the smoke is going down. Sissy Lady, thank you, Sissy. Sir DR, thank you. Yak po. Hindi ko nga ito alam mamainit kantahin. I climbed the stage again this night, 'cause this place is still alive when the smoke is going down. Pag sure oy mamainit. When the smoke is going down. Yes. Ano yung request mo, Mama Eden? Tawang-tawa natatawa ko kay Sir
Ang Coco
D.
Crunch breakfast ay
Parang
go for
pinagluloko niyo ako, Tres, sabi nila si Sir D. Parang pinagluloko mo, Eden Mix Vlog, Bingi ako, wala akong marinig sa headset ko. Ayun o, nakitawa ka na rin dyan, Tay, ha? Di ba? Pinagluloko lang ako ni Mama Eden, no? Di ba? Teka lang, ito muna, Mama Eden. Sunod na yan, Just Another Woman. Notice me, take my hand. Why are we the strangers when our love was strong? Why carry on without me? And every time I try to fly, I fall without my wings. I feel so small. I guess I need you, baby. And every time I see you in my dreams, I see your face, it's haunting me. I guess I need you, baby. that you are here. It's the only way I see clear. What have I done? You seem to move on, you see, and every time I try to fly, I fall without my wings. I feel so small. Guess I need you, baby. Every time I see you in my dream, it's see your face. It's haunting me. I guess I need you, baby. Kumusta yung mic ko dyan, Mama Eden? Hindi ko naririnig sa headset ko eh. Basta nakanta lang ako. Sir GR, shouty shouty. Happy Heart Day, Sir GR. You're haunting me. I guess I need you, baby. Hindi ko marinig, Sir JR, yung sound ko dito sa mic. Basta ako ay nakanta na. Ano nga yung request ni Mama Eden? Just another woman in love daw. Sana all. Sisi! Chinat-chat kita, Sisi. Sabi ko, mag-jamming tayo. Kaya lang, hindi ko kaagad na, parang hindi ka kaagad nag-reply. Ako ay nag-direct na. Nag-direct live na. Baka mamaya may curfew na naman si Tres. Hindi na ako nagpakita ng aking face lang. Just another woman daw. JR, sabi ni Sisi Isay, Sir JR, may tumatawag sa iyo. Pero alam ko na bati mo na siya. Maganda ba? Maganda ba, Sisi? Pero hindi ko marinig yung headset ko, parang ang lalim. Kaya hirap na hirap ako kumanta. Parang birit na birit ba? Maganda sound mo sa direct live. Oh, talaga. Nabati na ako ni JR kahapon ay sana. Nabati na. Happy Valentine's Day at sa lahat. Sabi ni Manoy Nelo. Thank you, Manoy Nelo. Kaya, ulitin ko. Para kay Tita Eden Mix Vlog. Just another woman in love. Sana all. Sisi, mag-live ka? Sisi, is live. Mag-direct live ka lang ka din, Sisi. I'm strong, I'm sure, and in control. A lady with a plan. You're living that life. Just a little package. I hold in my hand. I got it together. They call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. Still I fumble and ba? Tama ba ito kamay rin? So pardon me if I should stare and tremble like a child. That one thing you look all over your face. I'm just wondering. Wala, di ko na alam pagdating dito. Feeling free. I know that you can. So come be my man. Tonight I want to be just another woman in love. That hit off mood, out of control. Just another mood. You touch me and I'm weak, and I'm breather into breathe, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. You, I'm just another woman, just another woman in love, just another woman in love. And get off fool, out of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, and I'm feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. Sakit sa lalamunan.
Oh,
Parang
minimum
direct
spend.
dito sa mic ko.
Download Shopee now.
Ayan.
Order food you love with
Pero,
Food Panda. Download the app and order
sa
now.
harap pa rin, pero tapos na. Thank you, Sis Iguruta.
Kids karaoke.
Parang gusto ko ng kape. Maninilo, salamat. I was down and out and feeling so low. You took my hand and eased my mind. I was astray, you showed me the way. And now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through. Confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. You were always there to lend a helping hand. When good friends were hard to find, when things went wrong, you made them right. You made me and my days so bright. You Ayan, thank you, thank you. Grabe talaga kahaba yung harang ni Ma'am Tere. Hanggang ngayon,
Apply on the go
nakawatching pa rin ako sa kanya.
with custom job alerts on LinkedIn.
Sana
Get the app today.
all. Teka lang. Dikit mo muna si Tres next vlog. Can't be with you tonight. If my love wasn't here with me tonight. Circle Max, biglang sarap. Yeah, whoever won. Yeah. Happy Heart Day, Circle Max. A little while. Yahoo! But I love you the same way as I love you now. And so I can't be with you tonight. Do I want to hold you in my arms tonight? I wouldn't take the chance, it won't be right. Maybe when we met again some other time. 'Cause tonight, lagi na una si Trent. I'll only share my love with you. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. I could be in two places at the same time. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Salamat, Mama Eden. Nag-live ka ba kanina? Sis Iguro ng La Conchera, andito kasi sa yung ayan. Di pa pala dikit si Tres Mix Vlog ko. Kay Sis Iguro ng La Conchera. Ayan, at Sahara. Sahara si Tres and kay Sis Iguro ng La Conchera. If I could be down two places at the same time, believe me, I would share my love with you. Sis Agnes, moment. Hello, Sis Reza Mix. Shouty, salamat sa inyo dyan, Sisi. Bigalaw shoutout, Sisi. Ayan, salamat Sisi sa pagbisita. Believe me, I will share my love with you. Sis Risa Mix, salamat Sisi. Believe me, I will share my love with you. Ay, nahulog ang sisi. Teka lang.
Gratis, gratis. Semua benar-benar gratis. Kamu bisa percaya. Reels lagi bagi-bagi.
Ano ba yun? Ayun, mag-response ng ano, ang tigas na ng keypad. Love me with all your heart. That's all I want. Love me with all of your heart, or not at all. Just promise me this, that you'll give me all your kisses, every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you're near me, walang stress. Love me with all of your heart, as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start. With every beat of your heart. Just promise me this, that you'll give me all your kisses, every winter, every summer, every fall. When we're far apart, or where you near me, love me with all of your heart, as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Sis, andito ako sa iyong ano. Bakit madito? Ayun. Sis, siguro tang lang matira. Dikit ko si Stress Mix Vlog ko, yung aking pangalawang channel na aking pinapamunit. Ayun, tapos na pala yun. Ayan, salamat sa inyo dyan. Salamat, Mama Eden. Sis Igrota.
Lagi kay may upo at si
Salamat sa 5 eyes.
Pag sa aking kamay.
Still watching sis sa yung latest upload. 5 days na sis. Smoke, cook, and eat with me.
Sing Tunado Karaoke.
Cincinnati karaoke. Kaya ano mo na Mama Eden, ayusin mo na yung fade mo dyan. Para makaakit ka sa live ko. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you've never let me down. Kuya Farmers, thank you. I'm down with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I'm here for you, right here through the years. Can't remember when I used to do who I trusted. I swear it took me everything I know. I can't imagine needing someone like true. And more through the years, through all the good and bad, I knew how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you through the years. Ano daw? Ang sakit ng aking balikat. Para ako may pasan-pasan na bakal na cross. Try natin ito isa. Sintonado
Tunado
karaoke.
Karaoke.
Yan, sintonado daw yung boses ni Tres. I believe the children are future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Should Ayan, siguro tayo sa iyong flow. Latest. Very good. Learning to love yourself. It is the greatest love of all. Madam, shout me. That you've been dreaming of leads you through a long life. Find your strength and love. Hi, Madam. Happy Valentine's Day, Madam. Si siguro ang lakwachera still watching sa iyong smoke. It with me. Ay, ano ba yun? Namali yung galaw ko. Kumusta, Madam Jan? Kumusta yung dagat, Madam? Namimiss ko na yung dagat sa Eastern Samar. Bakit ang lalamunan ko? Mama, ini-thank you. I wanna call the stars down from the sky. I wanna live a day that never dies. I wanna change the world only for you. All that's possible. I wanna do. I wanna hold you close under the rain. I wanna kiss your smile and feel the pain. I know it's beautiful looking at you. In a world of light, you are the truth. And baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll never say, no matter where you are, and bring you everything you ask. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark. When you tell me that you love me, I wanna make you see just what I was. Show you the loneliness and what it does. You walk into my life to stop my tears. Everything is easy now. I have you here. I wanna make you see just what I want. Show you the loneliness and what it does. You walk into my life to stop my tears. Everything is easy now. I have you here. And everything you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make it stay, no matter where you are, and bring you everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark. When you tell me that you love me, and words cannot you. Kung alam dito. Ayan. Dan watching na sis Ilocana. Awan ito? Siguro tama lang watchera. Dan dikit na rin sa'yo si Tres M. Ayan. Sino pa ba yung naandyan kanina? Isa lang kasi yung CP kong pinag-play. si Risa Mix kasi parang hindi pa tudikit si Tres M o si Tres Mix Vlog. Dikit na pala to kay si Risa Mix. Manood na lang ako dito. Dito ako sa Feeding Birds. Ano pa ba yung piling kantay natin? Ano nga, madam, yung ano mo, favorite song mo, madam? Some part. Ayaw mo. Salamat po sa 5 eyes. Nara and Brian, for eyes. Thank you, thank you. Gusto mo kumanta? Late at night. Uy! Nagano sa boses ko. Nagpiyok. Head away from the star. It's somewhere you are thinking of me too. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight. Till tomorrow, I'll be holding you tight. And there's nowhere left to run. I'd rather be than in my room, dreaming about you and me. Daming ibon, no? Si Risa Mix, andito kasi sa iyong bahay, nanonood na Feeding Birds. Would you see what inside? Would you ever care? I just wanna hold you close, but so far, all I have are dreams of you. I wait for the day, the courage to say how much I love you. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight. Till tomorrow, I'll be holding you tight. And there's nowhere left to run. I'd rather be than her my room, dreaming about you and me. Let at night with all the birds sleeping, I stay up and think of you. I still can't believe that you came up to me and said, I love you too. Now I'm dreaming of you tonight. Till tomorrow, and for all of my life, and there's nowhere left to run. I'd rather be than her my room, dreaming about it is me.
Buy now, pay next month. 0%
Parang nagbablurred na naman yung aking live. There was a time in my life. Teka lang, i-charge ko muna guys yung CD ko. Nalulubat na pala siya. Ayan. Ulitin natin, ulitin. Charge ko lang yung aking CP kasi nalulubat na pala. There was a time in my life when I opened my eyes, there you are. You were never more than a dream. I could reach out and touch you. Long ago, there was something that I guess I never knew. When you love someone, you gotta learn to let them go. When I dream about you, that's when everything alright. You're in my arms, here next to me. When I dream about you, girl, you never go away. Just close my eyes, wait for my dreams, 'cause I still love you. How can I get you to see that I'm falling apart since you've been gone? I can never be sure, I can never let go of love. There are some things that I guess I never knew. When you love someone, you gotta learn to let them go. When I dream about you, that's when everything alright. You're in my arms, you're next to me forever. When I dream about you, girl, you'll never go away. Just close my eyes, wait for my dreams, 'cause I still love you. There are some things that I guess I never knew. When you love someone, you gotta learn too. That's when everything alright. You're in my arms, you're next to me forever. When I dream about you, you're never gone away. Just close my eyes, wait for my dreams, 'cause I still love Sisi, andito ako sa iyong feeling bird. Ang daming maya. Ayan. Dati dikit si Tres Mix Vlog ko, yung aking pangalawang channel na pinapamonitor. Ayan. Two a.m. into rain is falling. Here we are at the crossroads once again. You're telling me you're so confused. You can make up your mind. Is this meant to be? You're asking me, but only love can say. Try again and walk away. But I believe for you and me, the sun will shine one day. So I'll display my heart. Pray I'll have a change of heart, but I can make you see it's true. That something only love can do. Thank you, Sissy Style. And your arm as the doubt is breaking. Face to face and 1,000 miles apart. I tried my best to make you see there's hope beyond the pain. If we give enough, if we learn to trust, but only love can say. Try again and walk away, but I believe for you and me, the sun will shine one day. So I'll display my heart and pray I'll have a change of heart, but I can make you see it's true. It's something only I know if I could find the words to touch through the inside, you'd give our dreams just one more chance. Then let this be our last goodbye. But only love can say. Agoy, nag-premiere na pala ako. Ayan, may premiere pala ang Ketch. Thank you, Manay Shiny G, sa pag-remind. Nakita ko yung chat ni Manay Shiny. May premiere pala akin. Sorry naman sa mga naka-premiere na di ko napuntahan. Nag-premiere ka ba, Manay Shiny? O diba, naka-live si Tres M, tapos nag-premiere. Sino na ba yung lalagyan ko siya ng jacket? Si Roxanne. Hello, Sisi. Ayan, umiikot ang aking isang stick. Ayan, may premiere pala agad. Di ko alam. Teka lang. Umiikot yung CV ko. Naikot.
My nana says I'll never be able to cook like her. Let's prove
Kuya
her wrong.
Farmers,
I got some amazing tips from this Facebook group. I can't wait for Nana to try my red chicken satay. I think she approves.
Teka lang, puntahan ko muna yung premiere ko. May premiere pala si Fred. Nag-start na. Sorry, Manay Shining. Nakalimutan ko Manay Shining. Nag-premiere ka ba? Kung hindi ka pa mag-chat dyan. Hindi ko. Wala, saan na ba ako? Umiikot yung CV ko Manay Shining. Napupuntahan ko. Ang napupuntahan ko yung live. Agoy. Agoy. Tinamad ako dyan mag-edit. Iwan ko kung anong nangyari dyan. Basta in-upload ko lang. Manay Kakuridas, salamat sa pagpunta sa live, sa premiere. Agoy. Thank you, everyone. Manay Shining, nag-premiere ka ba kanina? After ni Manay Siaw? Kailan guys, punta muna ako dito sa aking premiere na hindi ko alam. Naka-premiere pala agad. Salamat, Manay Shining. In-upload ko na yan, Manay Shining, kasi bukas mag-upload na lang ako ng panibago kasi buhay na yon. Buhay na yung mga itinanim namin. Kaya in-upload ko na kasi baka matampakan ako. Dahil ka nag-premiere. Hala, bakit ganun yung ano? Anong sipa? Salamat po sa mga naandun sa live sa premiere ni Tres M. At aalagaan ikot ng mundo na lang. Ayan, nasa premiere lang po si Stress. At ako ay nagyayaw-yaw din doon. Bye! Makulog pa. Kaigos baga. Ano ta nagpipitit? Nagpipitit mo.
Ang Coco Crunch Breakfast ay Go Food na may sustansya ng Grow and Glow Foods. Unbelievable!
Ayan, pasensya na guys, kasi si Stress ay naandun po sa premiere ko. May premiere pala ako na hindi ko alam. Nakalimutan ko. All this time, I knew someday you'll need to find something that you left behind, something I can give you. All these years, like a love. But hearts so good for storm and peace. But what will I do with all this time? One more kiss, even though it's come to this, I close my eyes and make a wish, hoping you'll remember all this time. All the notes I know regret. The sun still shines, the stars red. But our heart forgives, the heart forgets. kasi andun sa premiere. The sun still shines, the sun still shines, and I hope for this. Sisi, di ako makapokus sa pagkanta kasi nasa premiere ako. Oh, may premiere pala, Ketch. Hindi ko alam. Sisi K.S. Thank you, Sisi. Andun si Sisi Lady. Ano tanim nyo dyan, Sisi? Samot-saring tanim. Samot-saring. Sisi, nag-try ako direct live lang kasi walang hanggan. Hindi ako naka-StreamYard. Deep down. Ano sa live nagyayaw-yaw? Kalabasa. Mama Irene! Thank you. I know you're everything that I've been looking for. Nayaw-yaw ako dun sa premiere ko. Tapos nakanta. Salamat po, Ma'am Irene. Kunwari nagtatanim, puro video lang naman. Okay, nangitim ako dyan. Bakit nakita ko naka-premiere ka? Oo nga, Sisi. Naka-premiere ako. Kaya yung kamay ko andun nagyayaw-yaw. Nangitik. Ano yun? Nangitim. Agoy. Nangitik. Mali na yung tulad ko. Ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat ng naandun sa live ni Tris and thank you everyone.
Fresh na love pag nirap. Hey! Rap mo
The family cat is
Ayan, salamat. Uy, panay na yung ads dito si Sis. Hindi ko na napansin. Tay, thank you. Ma'am Irene. Ninong, yaman pala ng anak mo. Mayaman sa ugat ng paa. Iparinig mo nga yung kanta. Alin, Tay? Mamaya na. Alam mo, Tay, pinag-iisipan ko yun. Gagawa ko ng tag-iisang minutes doon sa kanta mo. Bawat lyrics ng kanta. Magbibideo ako na naaayon doon sa kanta. No? Parang ganda lang, no? Oo, now ko lang alam. Naku, kung alam niyo lang, mayaman si Tres sa ugat ng paa, kamay. Gawan ko yung tay ng ano, yung bawat linya ng kanta doon na ginawa mo. Bibidyohan ko. Bungal ka dahil mo, mana ka. Kasaway ka. Mayaman sa nunal, grabe ka. Ring that needs your finger. I want you always to remember. Oh, I want you to be part of my dreams. Agoy, lubat na. Teka lang, kunin ko yung aking charger. Sleeping complete. Oo, wag ka na mambulit tayo. I can feel your loving touch inside me. I can hear you whispering you want to stay close to me. Tama yan tayo, magbagong buhay ka na. Certainly ba? Good evening. Sabi ni Sisi, ni Ma'am Irene. Ma'am Irene, salamat sa pagpunta sa aking premiere. Thank you, thank you.
a plan ago.
Sana all talaga tayo, mapatunayan mo yan ha, na hindi ka nang mambubuli. Pag sure oy tay. Pag sure oy. Hindi ko ko alam yun. Try natin itong isa. Salamat sa inyo dyan. Malapit na si Charles mag-end live. 15 or 20 minutes na lang. Lifetime memories. I believe in destiny. Every moment returns again and time. Way back, the future on my mind. Hindi ko na alam eh. Naniwala ka na naman si Tracy. Okay. Meet me halfway across the sky. Up where the words belong to only you and I. Garantiyan na hindi tayo aawayin. Sinungalingan, di ba? Si CPSA. In a lifetime, there's only love reaching for the lonely one. Parang tsamba na lang yun. Pagkanta-kanta ng Trace. Mag-live na kayo. Sisi Nag-live na yan, Sisi Sky. Meet me halfway across the sky. Up where the words belong to only you and I. Meet me halfway across the sky. Make this the new beginning of another life. Oo, pumunta ako doon kanina. Kunti pa lang yung momo. Marami na ba ngayon? Kanina, konti pa lang yung momo. Kagabi, ang dami. I-live ko si Sisi Sky. Hindi, marunong yung mag-live. Across the sky. Tambay lang si Citrus magluto muna ako. Sige lang, Sisi. Malapit na rin naman ako mag-end live. Ayan, salamat po sa 5 Eyes na nandyan sa live interest. Ayun. Low battery na daw, Sisi. Please charge. Ang masaklap, wala na akong charger. Alin ba dito sa tatlo yung pipiliin ko na tanggalan ng charger? Kakauwi ko lang din. Jesus, grabe ka naman. Babae ka na naman. Kakauwi lang daw. I can tell by your eyes. Ingat ka sa pambabae, magkasakit ka dyan. And the stars in the sky compare nothing to you. They're fundamental. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. Low battery. Stand all alone. Will the shadow hide the colors of my heart? blue for the stairs, black for the night, fierce the stars and the sky. Don't dwell in the day, see you there, remember. Mama Irene, thank you. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart, my heart. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. Sisi Sky, mag-live ka na, Sisi. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. Ayan, salamat po sa lahat na naandyan. 5 minutes na lang. 8 minutes na lang pala. Mag-end is address. Ayan. Tay, thank you. Sis Renz, please mix. Shouty Sisi. Big love shoutout po sa lahat. Ayan, maraming salamat Sisi, Rences, mix. Minutes na lang Sisi maganda. Uy, napakahaba na harang. Ayan, para kay Sisi Lady. Kay Sisi Lady. LPR. Tay, thank you, Tay. Wala ka sa aking tabi. Mga ngiti mo ay laging hinahanap ko. Manay Shiny. Sa mga lambing mo ay nananabik ako. May kailira ka ba, Manay Shiny? Kahit hirap mang isipin, nandyan ka sa akong ko. Saan mong ako sa'yo kung tutuloy. Saan pa nga si Sisi Lady? Jada ba yun? Manay Pedro. Nasa China and Alaska. Para kay Cecily dito, sa kanyang ka-LDR. Wala mo ba, mahal? Ako'y nalulungkot. Dahil ngayon ay wala ka sa aking tabi. Ang ngiti mo ay laging hinahanap ko. Sa mga lambing mo ay nananabik ako. Ay hirap mag-isipin na dyan ka sa Alaska. Asahan mo ako sa'yo'y hindi magbabago. Gusto ko'y para sa'yo. Magtitiis, maghihintay hanggang sa'yo babalik. Puso ko at puso ko'y sobrang nasasabi. Kahit na anong tagal at kahit anong hirap, lalabanan natin ang hamon ng long distance relationship. Lubog na yung boses ko. Sana all nasa China at Alaska. Si Manay Shining kaya saan? Hong Kong at Pilipinas. Si Tay nasa Baguio. Kanyang ka-LDR. Mahirap mang isipin na dyan ka sa China. Asahan mo ako sa'yo'y hindi magbabago. Gusto ko'y para sa'yo. Magtitiis, maghihintay hanggang sa'yo babalik. Alaska, made in China. Lang nasasabi kahit na anong tagal at kahit anong hirap, lalabanan natin ang hamon ng long distance relationship. Lalabanan natin ang hamon ng long distance relationship. Ayan. Bahala na kayo sa inyong ka-LDR. Ayan. Thank you so much po sa lahat na nagtambay sa live ni Tres Maria's Farm. Kahit si Tres ay ayaw magpakita kasi ang pangit ng mukha. Ayan. Maraming salamat, Sisi Case A, Sisi Lady, Manay Shining, kahit Haniba, Manay Pedro. Salamat. Salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta sa aking live. Kay Sis Francis, Mix, kay Kuya Farmers. Basta sa lahat-lahat kay Manay Shining. Sino pa ba? Yung lahat kanina dyan. Kay Sis Teresa Mix. Thank you, Mama Eden. Thank you, Ma'am Irene. Salamat. Salamat po sa lahat. Bye, everyone. And live na po si Tres. Ayan. Lagpasin ko muna ng 2 minutes. Mag-ano na kayo? Mag-live na kayo? Sino ba yung magla-live ngayon? Ma'am Irene, salamat. Hintayin ko lang na mag 2 minutes para may pasupra yung 2 hours. Yan, inupo na si Tres. Good night po, Ma'am Irene. Salamat ang marami. Yan, sumakit yung lalamunan ni Tres. Puntahan ko na lang yung hindi ko natapos kanina habang nagkakanta-kanta ang Ketch. Nanonood ako ng mga nandito kanina. Si Ma'am Tere, tapos Nes, tapos si Ma'am Irene, ayun na si Ma'am Igurutang, si Sis Igurutang Lakwachera. Sino pa ba yun? Si Manny kasi Auden. Sa kanyang premiere. Si 3M, padayal ng 9. Mamaya biglang may sumagot. Mamaya may biglang sumagot dyan. 911? Hello, sino to? Again, bye-bye na. Manay Pedro, salamat. CC PSA, thank you. Bye-bye. Good night, everyone.